Alright, here's the gate. I'll create this video as I'm taking it apart so that you can see how to put it all back together. So I've taped on this styrofoam only because of where we installed it, so there was a bit of a gap between the gate and the actual top of the step. The way that the gate works, you press down here and then you lift up a little bit, and that pulls it out of the two cradles at the top and bottom. And to close it, again, you just lift a little bit and you should hear it click into place. All right, how to take the gate off. First, you take off this cover down here. So you just, it takes two hands, but you push in with that. Actually. Okay, so I just released it there. This slides off the top. Then open it, and then the whole thing just lifts off. Okay, so for the positioning of the screw holes, going from the top screw hole, actually drop it down to there. So it looks like 2 1/4 from center to center on those screw holes, and then from the center of the top screw hole to the center of the top screw hole at the bottom, it's 27.5 or so. And on the other side, from the center of the top screw hole to the center of the middle, again it's about 2 1/4. Down to the center of the top at the bottom is about 29 and about 3/8. Okay, this is the bottom bracket on the side that opened, and there's something to this one. So that little piece of plastic that's sticking out, that can be flipped to the other side if you want it to open the other direction. So this is your stop that the gate would hit against if it's closing from this direction. And if you want it closing from this direction, you would move that little nub to that side. All right, just to confirm some measurements. So this is the open and close side. So that looks to be more like 2 1/2 from center to center. And then from top to bottom is about 29. Well, it's a bit better than that. It's actually 29.5. And on the hinge side, we got 2, maybe 2 1/8 from middle of the top to middle of the bottom on the top bracket. And down to the bottom, it goes to 27.5 is the difference from the middle of the top to the middle of the bottom. Sorry for the shaky camera work. So the gate's also fully adjustable for the width of your opening. So you got your screws here for large adjustments, and then both top and bottom on both sides have your nuts and bolts for fine adjustments.